If you are in a prison today, if you're in a mental prison or a physical prison today, if somebody that you love, somebody that you know is going through a torment of the devil, it's time to let out a shout, it's time to let out a dunamis, it's time to let out some Shaktiman, it's time to let out a boom. Come on, lift our hands. Father, in the holy name of Jesus, we want you to look upon this city today. You have called the Pentecostal people back to themselves, God. Father, I call forth the men of God. I call forth the women of God. I call forth the Samuels. I call forth the Hannahs. I call forth the Elijahs. I call forth the Deborahs. I call forth the Isaiahs. I call forth the Ezekiels. I call forth the Jeremiah. I call forth the Matthews. I call forth the Koshis. I call forth the Alexanders. In the name of Jesus, Lord, I call forth the Malayalam community, the